Hey guys, I'm coming to you live from the House Hill Studios here in sunny California. The last video I posted was probably 3 or 4 months ago in regards to Full Sail's film program. Impressive. So it was one video that I saw and the guy said that the computer smelled like an apple orchard. So let's see if it's true.
Nobody smell like an apple orchard.
I think it smells just like a fresh computer, plastic, aluminum. It's 15 inches, guys, so that's a great thing. So excited about this. Voila. It's much heavier than the MacBook Air, but what do you expect? Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, comment again. Peace.